Children, this is the sixth session. Living beings respond to stimulus. When thorns prick out our feet, we feel pain. Yes, any thorns will get it pricks to our feet, we feel pain. We have observed our body shivering in cold, snake hissing in self-defense, and buffaloes getting into water to cool off during excessive heat. And these 3 points we are observing when our body feeling shivering in cold. Snakes, we are listening some hissing sounds for self-protection. And buffaloes, when they are getting excess heat, they are getting into the water to get cool. Some insects bite us when we touch them. It means it is some protection. Animals shout. Like this, organism respond in their own way. All these are the responses given by organisms to the surrounding stimulus. Living beings respond to the changes in their surrounding environment. Usually they respond to touch, respond to heat, respond to cold, respond to sound and smell. They have special organs for all these. Here you observe the two pictures. This is the touch me not plant. And a pink flowers you can see from this touch me not plant. If you touch the leaves will get closed. And this is the scorpion. Scorpion also if it touches, it will close. Here I am reading folding of leaves when touched in touch me not plant. Stinging of scorpion when some external thing touches it. Flower of sunflower plant turning towards the sun. And these are ways that organism respond to stimuli. Here they are given in this box. Think a calf jumping when it sees mother cow. Yes, we are observing. It will run it will jump and it goes and sit near the mother cow. Mother bird crying in distress when young ones are not found in the nest. A mother hen protecting its chicks either by covering them with the wings or attacking the cat or eagle to protect the chicks. All these exhibit animal feelings. Think and list out the feelings of different organisms. Here only few they are given. They are given about the calf, they are given about the mother bird, they are given about the hen, they are given about the cat or eagle. And you write your own whatever the different organisms feelings. That is the stimulus. Living beings have lifespan. Yes, this is very important. Organisms take birth, become adults, reproduce, become old and die at last. The period between life and death of an organism is called lifespan. Here they are given in the box animals lifespan. They are given turtle, it is lives 115 years. Elephant 70, cow 20, eagle 20. Man, it is approximately they are given 70 to 80 years. Based on lifespan, plants are also classified into 3 groups, that is annuals and biennials and perennials. Annuals means plants which bear flower, produce fruits and die in a year or a season. These are called the annuals. Examples: jova, wheat, paddy, pumpkin, vegetables, cotton. It means these plants are bearing only 1 year, producing fruits only in 1 year. Afterwards it is a die a year or a season. Biennials, it means for 2 years. Biennials means bi means 2. Plants which live up to 2 years or 2 seasons, producing flower, fruit and seeds and die. Examples: carrot, ginger, cabbage, sugarcane, beetroot. Third one, perennials. Perennial means more than 2 years. Plants which live for many years and keep producing flower, fruit and seed. You are observing all these examples. Yearly it will be like that. Mango tree, you can see. Lemon, coconut, neem, jackfruit, areca nut. Write the use of the plants given below. You have to write it. Their uses annuals, biennials, perennials. Apart from the lifespan, plants are also classified based on the nature of seed leaf as monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous plants. It means about the lifespan, plants are also nature of seed leaf. There are two types, monocotyledonous, next dicotyledonous plants. Here they are given, do this.